I'm Kyung. I'm the founder of IGL Coatings. Traditional coatings in the market, they use toxic chemicals that are quite harmful to the users. They can cause chronic disease such as cancer or even affect the reproductive system. What IGL Coating does is that we research and we manufacture eco-friendly surface coatings that can be used on wood, plastic, metal, paint, glass, cement, literally almost all surface. Typical products in the market, you'll see them using solvents such as xylene, benzene, toluene. But for us, we do not use any raw materials that are hazardous to the environment and to the user. To date, we have about 3,000 installers who are business owners who are using our products and have collectively coated about 2 million vehicles. And this translates to about 30 tons of coatings that we have sold.